The English budgie, also called the English budgerigar or exhibition budgie, is a larger and fluffier version of the common budgie parakeet. Here's a quick summary about them. Quick facts about English budgie. Feature description. Origin: selectively bred in England from wild budgies, Australia origin. Size: bigger than standard budgies, around 25 centimeters, 10 inches. Weight: around 50 to 70 grams, heavier than pet-type budgies. Lifespan: 8 to 10 years, sometimes longer, with proper care. Color varieties: green, blue, white, yellow, violet, gray, and more fancy mutations. Temperament: calm, gentle, more relaxed than common budgies. Best for people who want show-quality birds or a calmer pet. Key differences: English versus common budgie. Feature: English budgie, common pet budgie. Size: larger and heavier, smaller and lighter. Feathering: fluffy, with pronounced beard feathers, sleeker, short feathers. Personality: calmer, less hyperactive, more playful, very active. Talking ability: can talk, but less likely than common budgie, better talkers, more vocal. Use: show bird, exhibition pet, companion bird. Extra info. English budgies need a spacious cage due to their size. They are friendly but often prefer gentle handling. Regular grooming and a clean environment are important. Because of their thick feathers,